Elon Musk revealed 4 million Cardano holders will become rich in 2022.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Elon Musk has spoken many times about his love for Cardano. After his words, the price of Cardano will rise greatly. After Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to Meta for K, active discussions began today in the Cardano community about whether the CEO of Tesla can refer to the Cardano cryptocurrency. There was a theory that Musk was just trolling Cardano. Even Cardano creator and CEO of IOG Charles Hoskinson confirmed this theory in his Twitter post. Hoskinson named several signs indicating the truthfulness of this thesis. For example, the letter K in Musk's biography may refer to a metaprogramming language called K, which was developed by Runtime Verification, one of Cardano's partners. One of the community members noted that the programming language will simplify the process of updating systems. Referring to Hoskinson's presentation explaining how developers will be able to switch from Ethereum to writing smart contracts on Cardano using JavaScript and C#, a community member explained that K will change the rules of the game. Musk could also have been referring to the K parameter used to set up rewards for Cardano bets. When Musk changed his Twitter bio to Meta for K, he also changed his profile picture. In this picture, there was an intersection in the middle of the road, divided into two parts, which is a fork in the road. This was also pointed out by Hoskinson. Bloomberg market expert Eddie van der Walt believes that in 2021 there was a real breakthrough for cryptocurrencies, as the cryptocurrency became a solid part of the financial furniture. Institutions prefer cryptocurrency compared to what it was a few years ago. Compared to just a couple of years ago, when institutions and financial experts said that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies tend to zero and they are worthless, now the situation has changed a lot for the better. In 2021, several ETFs appeared in the crypto industry, including the first in the United States, based on Bitcoin futures, approved by the SEC. In addition, according to the expert, several IPOs were held in the crypto space, one of which was the Coinbase exchange. Walt confirmed that there is now a whole infrastructure that has allowed financial institutions to start entering the space, and in particular Bitcoin, with large amounts of funds. For these specific reasons, Eddie van der Walt emphasized, 2021 was a real breakthrough for cryptography and opened up a bright future for this space. Walt believes that in 2022 cryptocurrencies will determine what they mean, what they are and what we will do with them, clearly hinting at a specific utility. In particular, Walt mentioned top-level blockchains such as Cardano and Ethereum, stating that they occupied the NFT space and moved a little further in the narrative in terms of what we are going to do with cryptocurrencies. However, he did not mention dApps and smart contracts, for which Ethereum was the first platform, and Cardano now allows developers to use them on it as well after the Alonso update in September, in addition to the fact that users simply allow the creation of interchangeable tokens. As regulators are just waking up to decide how to handle the crypto space, particularly in the US, Walt called regulation a big risk factor for cryptocurrencies as they have not been regulated before. Thus, at the moment there is a kind of regulatory arbitrage between crypto and conventional assets. And this, according to the Bloomberg expert, may negatively affect cryptocurrencies in the short term. However, in the long term, regulation of crypto assets would be good, he believes, since it would allow more investors, both institutional and private, to participate in them. Thanks to the REVUTO listing, the REVUTO dApp's own application token also becomes the first Cardano proprietary asset in history to be registered on two major cryptocurrency exchanges, i.e. KuCoin and Gate.io. For the uninitiated, REVUTO is the subscription manager firm behind the first mobile wallet and ICO on Cardano. Over the past 4 months since its launch, the dApp application has achieved several important indicators in terms of user adoption. Commenting on the development, Vedran Vuckman, CEO and co-founder of REVUTO, said, "It is noteworthy that all retail investors will be able to buy and sell REVU on KuCoin and Gate.io starting from January 7 onwards. REVUTO is an active subscription management application built on the basis of Cardano to help people save money on their subscriptions." In May, through the ICO, the company raised $10 million in a matter of minutes and until today has received 3 million early subscriptions to the application. Since August, more than 300,000 users worldwide have signed up for the app, making REVUTO the fastest-growing fintech startup in the world. As a result, REVUTO received the award for the fastest-growing consumer product at the recent World Blockchain Summit in Dubai. The company is currently preparing to launch its virtual debit cards to manage subscription seasonality and allows users to pay for their subscriptions using their own Cardano tokens. Later this year, REVUTO will introduce DeFi services that will help people pay for their subscriptions cheaper than they would pay them with fiat money. In this regard, one of the most important announcements will be the launch of liquidity pools for microcredit and borrowing. The setup will allow REVUTO users to provide liquidity to other REVUTO users and generate revenue. In contrast, others will be allowed to borrow funds from these pools to pay for their subscriptions, even if they don't have the funds to do so. The most important thing is that the ecosystem and tokenomics are designed taking into account the real conditions of use, which allows the advanced blockchain product REVUTO to remain stable regardless of the conditions of the crypto market. Blockchain startup REVUTO, a platform that allows users to easily manage subscriptions and pay for them using cryptocurrencies, has announced the placement of its REVU token, native to Cardano, on centralized top-level exchanges KuCoin and Gate.io. Starting from January 7, 2022, retail investors can purchase a token through any of these platforms and become part of the REVUTO community. The live Cardano price today is $1.13 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,127,000,000. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 1-2% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.